We're looking at 2.25 dividend yield, so they're not too shabby. Let's check out how they've been over the last 5 years. I mean, we can look from the 80s when they were a $3 company, but let's get to more important things. How have they spanned? They broke out of their range, like a 7 year range basically, in 2018 and haven't looked back at all. Corona gave us a small little blip, but it didn't even bring us back to the 2015 or like the major breakout. So it's pretty resilient. I mean, at least the chart doesn't show it. Let's kind of look 94. So as far as the 52-week low down there shows us that it bounced off of the lows right here, which was support, which was the previous year's resistance, huge year's resistance, which they got support and bounced off of there. They relatively Corona hurt them, but not too bad if you think about it. That's why it's a consumer staple stock. Like everything, people are gonna buy it regardless. It doesn't matter about um, too much of anything. It's going to work, as in the sense as people are continuously gonna buy Procter and Gamble's products. They're very resilient. Institutional ownership is at 62. Excuse me, 66%, which is nice. I mean, it's a pretty small company if you think about all the products that they have. All right, let's check them out. And this is what I'm talking about, like Downy, Tide, Oral B, Gain. It's only a $2 billion company. That's a lot more than I would have thought. Investors. Products in that many countries. Okay, this is great. Yeah, they've been around since 1837. Look at 71 billion in sales. Well, then their company has to be. Boy, this is wrong. Oh, that shares out. Yeah, that's what it makes more sense now. You see, on the other one, when you go here, it's the opposite. They put the shares outstanding on the bottom. So market cap 345 billion. That makes way more sense. All right, they've moved it. Let's see if we can find it over here. Aha. Looks like someone needs to recheck the site. Okay, this is the splits. That's good to know. Um, doesn't really hurt us very much. All right, so they didn't break it up for us, but we can see. Let's see how far they go back and see if they consistently have been raising their dividend. 20 years is plenty. 17 cents, 18, 20, 25, 28, 31, 35. During the crisis of 2008, 2009, did it affect them? Remember, I said they're everywhere, their products. So during depressions and recessions, there we go, the Great Recession, and the pandemics and whatever the world throws at us, they continue to pay more money. Let's look at 220. What is this over here? Announce date. Okay, so they didn't announce it before, I guess, or they don't have records of it. All right, let's see from the last four. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. This is Corona, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. 2018. This is from 17 to the raise in 18. They went up 2 cents. Then they went up another, you know, two and a little bit more. So look at the raise. They raised here. They went up to what? That's three. I'm not picking the point, the tenths of pennies and things. So from here they went up 5 cents. Well, four and a quarter, 4.5. So they raised their dividend more during this time. So if you have concerns of your portfolio or whatever, then in times of scarcity and times of fear, then a Procter and Gamble, as we can see, is a great investment. Or it offers great opportunity. I don't know if it's a great investment. Check your lawyer, check your business manager, check your stockbroker if it's a good investment, but it offers great opportunity.